Yeah, my boys, look here, a powerful strategy with 29.73 going to start. Let me find the signal and open the trade. VIX 75.001. The beauty of this strategy, this is secret strategy. You don't need any indicators, any moving average, RSI or anything. Just need to follow the instructions and go ahead make profit using this system. Very accurate, very powerful cheat code strategy. Simply powerful strategy. We started with $29.73. Things front of you guys. The market is moving in our direction. If you want to get this strategy, chat with us. Check the link in description. Keep watching the video and see what's the performance of this strategy. Here you can check the option of close all. I'm just closing too early to show you the demo of this strategy. This is a real account with $29. We started with $15. Check previous video. Look here, 29.89, multiple trades, big lot opened. I'm just trying to consume the time. The video length may not go longer. Look here, instant profit, pure scalping cheat code strategy. You can go for long, you can go for scalping. Really an awesome strategy. You can choose close all option from MT5 mobile terminal. Keep watching. We have a buy orders. Market is going downward. Holding these trades. Let's wait the market come and give us profit. On $29.89 we are holding these trades. Closing profit with 32.76. We are standing at 32.76. Let's find another signal. This is 75 1S index. Here is one signal. Let's open the trade and make the profit on VIX 75 1S index. This strategy can work on any market, any volatility market. If you want to grow any type of account, any little account, big account, you can easily grow with this strategy, guys. Simple, reliable, powerful, easy strategy. 34. I'm just closing too fast because I don't want the video length may go longer. Let's find another signal. Here we have a signal on V10 index. Check the beauty of this strategy. Immediately profit. We were standing on 33.60 in positive. Close in positive. Let's find another signal. V50 index. Find another signal. 75 1S index. This is volatility 100 index. 51S index. Keep finding the signal. Yeah, let's go for trade. Keep watching, guys. Multiple trades opened with standard lots. We're standing on 39. $5 profit from this signal. So this is the beauty of this strategy. Instant profit. You can grow easily any type of account. Low equity account, a big account can easily grow. Super powerful, easy strategy. If you want to get these, chat our team. They will guide you how to make profit using this strategy. We are standing on 39.57.